haven't talked much lately because there's so many things that have changed or people really truly need help with. And as I've been posting up, really honing in on the issues that people have, right? And the issues that people are seeking to fix or understand about love and relationship. I don't know if you really truly want the help. Because I was having a conversation with a group. I do live talks and I help you understand how to find love, get love. And I get into how we connect. That's the main conversation that you're having with a person that is having issues in relationship. Is how do you connect with somebody that you want, right? Or have presently or hoping to have in the future. And you want to get the understanding of how do you connect to this person? How does this person make you happy? What do I do on my journey to understand and find love? But the issue that I have is that a lot of time you're seeking, especially women, and I'm talking to my women on this, you're actually seeking to understand your mate through the person that don't understand, i.e., let me get you to understand. Why do most women, and why do you seek your answers through another man? Here's why I say this. Most men that are on here talking about how they can help women about love and relationship is pretty much talking about themselves or the few men that they have talked to. And here's why I say that. If you're trying to understand how to deal with a straight man, how are you asking the straight man how to deal with him when he's not involved with another straight man? Why aren't you asking the woman who's been in the relationships, who've been down that road, who's dealt with the type of men? Why aren't you asking them? Why do you pay attention to what the man say versus what the woman say? And I know we got some women out here that make it harder for, relationship experts and love. And I'm a love doctor. I'm a loveologist, and I've studied and I'm certified. And of course, we have people out here who are not real, who are frauds, who are claiming to help you and really don't. I'm not calling out names. I'm not going to say who they are. You find them along the way. And then you listen to those who just ramble on about what they've gone through with a guy, and then want to try to tell you how to fix a relationship with another person, and they're only talking about their issues. So our problem here is we're so busy trying to claim to help other people on the basis of our problems that you're really not truly getting the help. Because the only way you can get the help is you have to understand who you are and what you're dealing with, and you are the only person that's dealing in that situation. You're a different individual. You're not the other person. You're getting generalization of issues of relationships. Do you understand that? You're getting the generalization because your situation is different from someone else. Right? We know this. But your situation of who you are involved with and who you have in the relationship is totally different. I'm only bringing this up because I want to come out differently and have a talk with my followers and go more into detailed relationships. Meaning, I want to go more into giving you the idea of how you recognize somebody that's for you. Because I don't think we understand there's a difference. You have to pay attention to the person's character and behavior. And because of that, I have, look in the link in my description, I'm going to be giving you, it's just a quick download that you can purchase, and it will help you understand the personalities of people and why they're the way they are. Because it matters. Because you're getting into a relationship and you're not really paying attention to the person's character. And that's more important than anything. Not just somebody's telling you the man don't like this and the man want this and why you not treating the man this way and this is what he like and this is why he don't deal with you. No, you need to know what his issue is as an individual. That matters more than anything. You've been with Love Doctor. I'll be back bringing you more.